You're welcome once again, my people. I want to use this opportunity to say a very good thank you for this unexpected visit. Number two, I also want to thank my viewers, those of my friends, both on Facebook, YouTube, who are monitoring my programs. Some of you who are eager, who are thirsty to see the new videos and see the great man on board. Once again, I want to tell you that the great Ogu Izeuza is once again here to bring you new things and educative programs. Now, what is the great man coming to do today? Before we go on or we continue our teachings, our lessons today, I once again want to introduce myself. Maybe this is the first time you are watching me on this channel, or maybe I've changed. You don't know who is really talking. I am Togbi Zeuze, the professional herbalist and spiritualist. Suhum. Suhum is the location. That is where I operate. Yes, that is where I operate. Yes. Today, one may ask, what is a herbal medicine? I told you today I'm coming to teach more than the actions, because I have to prove to you the difference between the great man and other spiritualists. Other spiritualists will come on board, just begin to remove some small money, perform some miracles, and call them great one. Most of the spiritualists nowadays, it is not. You find it difficult watching TVs once again these days, because every spiritualist that you see on screen want to perform miracle. But I don't blame them, because Ghanaians, they always believe in miracle than any other thing. Just apply to my friend pastors. If you are a pastor and you are not performing miracle, you lost your viewership. People will not listen to you. They will not even come to you. They will tell you that the power of God is not in you. But should that be the case? No. You understand? Because some of the times, these empty barrels, they are making the most noise. They are deceiving our people. Yeah, some of our friends, our family members fall in the hands of these bad ones. So today, they don't have trust in any of the spiritual men. But what I want to assure you, as you are watching the great man, once again, I want to tell you that just happened to, as it happened to pastors, we cannot say we don't have good pastor just because one pastor is not good. The same thing applies to us, especially the great one. That is why I don't charge when I'm doing my things, both herbal and spiritual aspect of it. Even the spiritual aspect, if you charge, it will not work. I want a spiritualist to challenge me. Olden days, those times that our great grandfathers, when they were working, do they know what is money? Sometimes, before you even do the consultation, you have to bring what? A cowries. Cowries is used to replace money. Because they don't, after doing the work, after helping you, after solving the problem for you, you will come back and come and thank the spirit, the gods. That is the good work. That is how we do the work. But today, you see them on screen, bring money, send me money, send me money, send me money. And my people, they are duping them. Some of these spiritualists, they don't have license. They are not registered. They are not recognized. Even the community in which they do their works, nobody knows them. Because they know they are not qualified. Because they make up their mind of duping people, the innocent people. So they refuse to register their work, their shrine. A professional herbalist must own a license and certificate. Even the shrine where you operate, you have to license it. That means you have to be paying a levy to the government. But those bad ones refuse to do that. That is why you see them operating in bush. Sometimes they rent a rented apartment so that at the end of it, they will run away. Tomorrow you go there, you will not see them again. Some of them you call their number, then they swear it off. Because they are not registered. They are not true spiritualists. Fellow Ghanaians and everybody that is watching me, I want to assure you that we still have good one there. I am not saying I am the only good one, because I am not perfect. No human being can call himself the perfect one. I am not perfect. But what I'm trying to tell you is that no matter what you are doing, whatever you are doing, believe and try, you believe it. Don't just stand up. You know, some of you are fed up. That is why some of you are dying out of some sicknesses that you're supposed not to die. Some of you have been in prison because you thought you've been to a spiritualist and you are duped. He couldn't help you, or she couldn't help you. No wonder today ladies are also following a small girl. Na. They can speak good to you, so they are able to convince the innocent one. This is what the great one is saying. That look sharp. You understand? Wherever you are going to a spiritualist, if possible, ask whether he or she is being licensed. If he is not, my friend, then advise yourself. Today, we're going to teach a lot and do some small miracle. Today, I don't even want to do any miracle at all. I want to teach and advise and give advice. And once again, most of my clients who misses my number, you complaining, oh Togbi, it's been a long time, you miss your contact. Now I was coming to you and a taxi driver directed me to a different place and I was duped. You come back to me whether you have money or you don't have money. I told you it is not everything that you have to pay money. There is anything you only pay money for consultation, and that ends it. That will help your problem. As I'm saying this, some of the spiritualists who made up their minds of duping innocent ones, they will be annoyed because they will think I am trying to spoil their work. But I am not here to spoil your work. But I'm trying to tell the innocent people, maybe my sister is involved, maybe my family member, my brother is involved. Let us do the right thing. For this spiritual work, it's a natural gift from God. And if you are not called, you can't do it and do it well. I am not going to talk much today, but going to teach something small about herbal medicine, because I believe there is a lot of powers, healing powers in the herbs that surround us, but we don't know. So today, at least, we are going to teach about one or two. But today, we are coming to look at what is herbal medicine, or what's the importance of herb. Herbal medicines are gifts from God. They are given to us by God, free of charge. That is why He has empowered us that we should go and eat the herbs for our human consumption and to heal ourselves. So today, I could see no reason why one may charge huge amount of money before preparing a herbal medicine or for a fellow human being. What do I want to say? Today, let us talk about dandelion. We are talking about dandelion. Yes, today we are learning about dandelion. In my local language, we call it angoto. This has done a very wonderful job since I became a herbalist. And I am proud to share it with you. Today, I told you I am coming to teach. And this teaching is free. Today, if any one of you watching me, you are suffering from a heart attack, or maybe your heart is paining you, this is the best herbal medicine for you. How are you going to use it? You know, you only uproot it, get the roots. Get the roots, wash it nicely. The reason why you have to wash it with salt water is that we may have some insect that will give you another effect. Therefore, you have to do what? You have to wash it nicely and then chew it like chewing stick, the root. The leaf, you can chew it. You see, I didn't wash it, but it's eatable. This one. And my friend, but for the 7 days, that heart pain is over. This money, the money that you have to go to spend on this sickness with the doctors or other spiritualists, I am giving it to you free. Dandilon, Angoto. Me blomala nyeba. Agba, nya program ala vuvu. Agba, nya ma ba gafia, ama no gadam pa akpam ba amo menye gata kwe nya no nyiro. Na nyeba na nya magbato ye ola malasa sion, malada diore. Manu ka matiche ile kana fa wo do akpoga. Na nyeba na akpoga, e na hanye donore. Le kana gafia nya. Enwa do li, enso isu do li, oje mia wo. Alabom nyako hagbe na nyaroki nyako boost nyako immune system nyako anabom nyako lamana turaji nyano fresh alabom nyaka no agble gada koji. Yes, one may say, oh, now we are not paying for hospital because of free health insurance, but I want to say, even though it's free, but get something. Prevention is always better than cure. Get something to boost your immune system. Get something to prevent you from getting illness. This dandelion, I'm not too early. What are you going to do? Navahi. If you carry na clean na clomatial jechima. I just want to clear jechima. So when I'm going to $11 or do good. Or I'm going to no do actually do it. I'm a pan. I couldn't make no do much. Yen to how call on a chicken. I go on I will still I do farm. Number 2, this is bitter leaf. Bitter leaf. You can a bochi. A bochi ya. I know diabetes. Now you might get diabetes patient. Inquire some and your formula TV here. I have free. I am is given to you free of charge. You are not paying any money for it. Go and get this leaf. This is bitter leaf. Go and get it right now. Cook it not more than 10 minutes. Not more than 10 minutes. And then start drinking it. You know, when you are cooking it, add alligator pepper and ginger to it. Just a small amount of it. Cook it and drink it. You are free to go. You can go back to the hospital and they will tell you the diabetes is no more there. With the help of these two, I think I've given you something free of charge. Now, if you are suffering from any of these sicknesses, just call my numbers. These are my numbers being displayed on the. Call me right now, and I will do what? I will direct you to where I am, and attend to you at any given time. My doors are always open for whatever sickness you are suffering from. I don't know what type of sickness is it, gonorrhea, diabetes, whatever. You come to me, and I know by the grace of God and the help of my spirit, you are free to go. Yeah, whatever you are watching me on this channel, I think the best thing that you have to do is to pick up my number. Call me right now. 0244 72 5692. 0244 72 5692. Today, what is the problem that is affecting humanity is 1, favor. 2, financial problem. 3, protection, lack of protection. Now, one may ask, how is protection needed when it is business, in terms of business? Every person, every business man who fails to protect his or her business. You are a market woman or market man, a business woman or business man watching me live on this channel. Your business is not growing. Have you seen it? Have you seen that even the capital, the money used to start this business is vanishing? Do you know why? You don't understand. When you go to North, when you go to Mali, people sell cola and put up story building. When you go to Accra, some people are selling common cocoa and they were able to put up story building. But you, my sister, you are selling the same cocoa, but you are losing. You went in for loan. And what could you loan? Sell better cocoa, but no crano, sikanashi. So why should it be like that? Then in Abanesa. I just said, what protecting business? You fail to protect it. You understand? This is the reason why everything that you want to do on this world, you need to protect it. I am not saying it is only spiritually somebody like me who can protect it. If you believe in your pastor, go to your pastor and she will pray for you. That one is your own cup of tea. But I'm telling you that this is what we can do. This is what is happening in this world. You understand? Chieftaincy dispute. You are a chief. Nobody recognizes you as a chief because you don't even have money. What are you doing to your community as a chief? You are watching me. You are a chief. You see, take my number and call me. Even you are not recognized because they are litigating with you. Day in, day out, you are going to court. And from day one that you have been installed as chief, you will have that peace. So what are you telling me? Come to the great man. You know, you don't have money. You bought a land. But before you realize, a burger came from America because he has money. Now they say, oh, Oscar. Master, don't go in for this physical lawyer. I don't me interested. Come to the spiritual lawyer. Let me assist you spiritually. Get it back for you. You helped a lady. You helped a guy. But today, after university, she says, you are no more my class. Who name me class biome? You don't want to be in biome. Master, from number no. I will not tolerate that nonsense. Pick the number and call me. Premise is here. Who? So who was that problem no? Promise and fear. Huh? You are beautiful. But nobody proposed to you. Your relationship is not lasting. After 1 month, Mimpe will be your friend or blacklist or number no. Now you don't know something is happening to you. Look at your beauty. You are 100% beautiful, and you have everything. You can cook and you can do everything. You are married. You think you are marriage material, but right after the marriage, there is fight. The ex, your husband's ex, is still enjoying, but you are there. You are a soldier. You are a policeman. You are doing work, government work. From 20 years ago, you are still there, unpromoted, and you don't know there is a problem. You want me to tell you are facing a problem. You even want to cry. Look, you are crying. How much do you have in your bank account? For all these 20 years, 5 years, from the beginning of last year to this time, how much do you have in your account? I am talking to you. So we need to be our account more. Aden, unkwa aden. What nipa? I ain't nyamina ball. Na nyamina boss kenino. Na who the aden we any come pick my number and call me. Pick the numbers right now. Right away. Take the number and call me. I am here for you. You understand? I don't know what your problem is. Those land litigations and promise and fail. You try many people. I don't know what your problem is. I am not saying I am perfect. But master, take the number. Like you are fed up. No, I know you are fed up. Because you thought maybe the great man is also going to do the same thing. But my brother and sister watching me live on this channel, just pick the number and call me. Young Fifi line. Not being into, not being young. Agba, and you know if you talk with the user. Agba Molabofo. Amanda Boko, young Fiabari. Agba, you can get troller. Agba Troy, yes, Matro. I'm a baton, you know, a trom. No one is who know it. I don't want to throw. Bamajima to Mokoya, I took Bona. I'm over Viado, you can. A mentor, we call it Madonna down now. Tabi Gayaka, Moto Bonofisha Finala, You are my mentor. I salute you this evening, wherever you are watching me. Tobi Apaga, I salute you the same. Tobi Ajongaga, Fiti Amanya, the Paramount Chief, I salute you. You respect our tradition. You don't run away from us. You are always ready to respond to our call. Anytime we are in trouble, anytime you face difficulties, you always respect our culture. Indeed, I give you another salute. Tobi Fiti Amanya, the Paramount Chief, Aplau. And all my good friends watching me on this channel, I salute you all. I want to thank you all for the assistance given me during a couple of programs and then a Thanksgiving program that we had. We want to say, may the good God help you, assist you in whatever you're doing. Now, I am coming back to this very important point. That is financial problem. I told you today I will not do much action. But I know some of you are dying, some of you are killing yourself because of financial problems. You want to go and commit suicide because you have no hope. Many of them have disappointed you. You went there, you borrowed money, went to their shrines, unknown shrines, some of them are not well recognized. But they dip you, so now you don't even want to listen. Even when we started this program, you want to off it. But my friends, wherever you are, when you are watching me on this channel, call a friend, call a brother, a family member, that yes, the great man has come. Pick the number. Listen to the great man. I am telling you that I am not God. I am not God, but I believe I'm here to serve you. Because this spiritual work, if you're not called, you cannot help. You cannot do it. You understand? You cannot do it. Take my numbers and call me. Take my numbers right now. Every market woman watching me, every businessman and businesswoman watching me on this channel, yours is very important. Because if you don't work, you don't get money. If you don't work, you don't get money. If you like, don't do any work. Get money and see what will happen. You will not know how to use it. Protect yourself, protect your business, so that your business can grow. Protect your family. You are a man, but the woman is controlling you. Do you know why? Because you don't have money. She will even tell you, men are talking. When men are talking, don't talk. When men are talking, don't talk, because you are not doing the right thing. Master, what is your problem? Call me. I cannot tell exactly what your problem is because of the time. But call me right now. Take the numbers and call me. I don't want my client to be afraid of me. Most of my people, my spiritualists, will come here with all the spirits they have. They will put on a whole lot of talisman and other things. Only one thing that they will tell you is that, let me conjure money for you. But my friend, I'm telling you that the great man is different and very simple, social, and ready to, and my doors are always open for anybody who wants to learn from me. You are spiritualist. Who is spiritualist? Now, spirit, you know, spirit I will use, you know, and yejuma, usumama, omunko, mak, obia mbe ofie, brother, mbe spirit, papa. Bia, spirit, you know, and ye wankasa wodia, papa dia. Now, papa ne, o grandfather, o ni hobio. Wankasa kwansa time na kura o papa yejuma no. Now, who call church? Wenti, unim senya ye yusu on, bra, me train me church room, senya obey yusu spirit, you know, and tell you the importance of it. Pick up my numbers and call me right now. There are some spiritualists, they cannot perform any wonders. They don't know how to perform miracle. The same thing applies to pastors. If you are a pastor, you are watching me. You see the reason why I am here with this Bible. I am here with this Bible because I want to tell you the importance of this Bible and what I can use it for. People don't understand why I quote sometimes from Bible. Yes. Why? We can't run away from it. You understand? Because Bibles are to guide our day in, day out activities. You understand? So if you are even a spiritualist, that you don't even believe God, I'm sorry. Because we even pray. That means we observe the presence of the God Almighty, the creator of the universe. But I'm telling you that you call yourself man of God, but you have only 7 people in your class. Even out of that 7, 6 of them, 5 of them are children. They are kids. How much will you get a day? How are you going to pay your light bills? How will you get machines? Come, let me boost. Let me give you the power that will help more people to come. Favor. If you are a pastor and you don't have favor, how will you get assistance from your members? My friend, wherever you are watching me on this channel, pick my numbers and call me. The 0244 number is my WhatsApp number. I am the only spiritualist who is more social, who is free, who has time for my client. Pick the number and call me. Let's chat on WhatsApp. You can also check on me on YouTube. Miracles are there. I am there live for you. You leave your comment, and if you would need any assistance, I'll help you. Thank you very much for watching.